please don't forget that our decodable books are available on Amazon. Hi guys, today we will be looking at variant vowel R, AL, ALK, AU, and AW. The spellings AU and AW stand for the R sound, as in hall and paw. R equals to AU, AW. ARK equals to ALK. All equals to AL and ALL. When the letter A is followed by L, LL or LK, the letter A stands for the R sound. These spelling patterns AL, ALL, ALK are found in many common words. Now let's read some words with the variant vowel R, AL, ALK, AU, and AW. Saw. Alt, fault. Alt, salt. All, ball. Walk, walk. Gnaw. Draw. All, crawl. Straw, on, lawn. August, also. Audience, lawyer. Because. Almost. Aunt, haunt. Jaw. Cause. Halt. All, call. Talk. Hawk. Claw. Raw. Awesome. Install. Taught. Dinosaur. Sausage. Pause. aunch, launch. Alt, vault. Summer, alt, somersault. Author, author. Always, always. All, fall. Distraught, distraught. Daughter, daughter. Awful, awful. Brawl, brawl. Chalk, chalk. Sprawl, sprawl. Small, small. All, mall. Laundry, laundry. Autumn, autumn. Applaud, applaud. Thaw. Yawn, yawn. Thank you very much, everyone. I truly hope this video was helpful. Please remember, you can look in the description and you will find many more videos to help you with reading. You will also find videos to help you with grammar. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!